Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Easy to assemble. These swing set parts are great for DIYers who want a no-fuss porch swing. Hanging kit. Durable. Swing away on your yoga trapeze. This metal swing set hardware is strong enough to hold up to 2,400 pounds. Indoors and outdoors. Our heavy-duty swing hangers make the perfect addition to your aerial yoga studio or playground set. Quiet, squeaky wooden swing set no more. The patio swing parts prevent metal rubbing for a smooth swing ride. Multi-use, designed for safety. These swing hooks can be used for your toddler swing set, gymnastics rings, and more. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Play in the Air. Slackers is a Colorado-based company that focuses on kids' active play products to help you and your children get active and play in the air. Our zip lines and zipline accessories are great at inspiring children to play outside. Night RIDERZ LED seat. Light up the sky with the fun. Exciting Slackers LED Night Riders Zipline Kit. Our signature adjustable LED light-up seat provides a unique, exhilarating riding experience to your backyard fun adventure. Zip Quick System. The Slackers Zip Quick System's universal design allows one person to install or remove a zip line in just minutes. Setting up your Slackers zip line could not be easier with the signature Zip Quick. Safety first. We are focused on creating safe, durable zip lines, outdoor swings, active playground sets, and obstacle courses for kids. Ideal for building up your inner adventurer and motivating children of all ages to stay active. Safety first. We are focused on creating safe, durable zip lines, outdoor swings, active playground sets, and obstacle courses for kids. Ideal for building up your inner adventurer and motivating children of all ages to stay active. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Play in the Air. Slackers is a Colorado-based company that focuses on kids' active play products to help you and your children get active and play in the air. Our zip lines and zip line accessories are great at inspiring children to play outside. ZIPSPRING Brake. The Slackers 90 Feet Eagle Series zipline includes the signature Zip Spring Brake system. The powder-coated steel spring brake protects the line, the trolley, and the rider with a smooth, safe finish to the end of each ride. Zip Quick System. The Slackers Zip Quick System's universal design allows one person to install or remove a zip line in just minutes. Setting up your Slackers zip line could not be easier with the signature Zip Quick Safety first. We are focused on creating safe, durable zip lines, outdoor swings, active playground sets, and obstacle courses for kids. Ideal for building up your inner adventurer and motivating children of all ages to stay active. Product guarantee. All Slackers ziplines meet or exceed strict U.S. safety standards for quality and durability. We guarantee, if you are not fully satisfied with your zipline purchase, our customer service team will work directly with you to make it right. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Best gift ever. Are you looking for something to encourage your kids to play outdoors instead of looking at a screen? The VEVOR Zipline Kit is a fun and secure way to connect with nature. You can enjoy a long and exciting ride thanks to the 100 feet main cable and the 330 pounds, 150 kilogram carrying capacity makes this zipline great for you and your kids to play on. Soar snugly and securely. Endless fun with no worries. Your zipline set ensures security with a range of components. With weather resistance. The 304 stainless steel main cable lasts for years. A sponge tube provides smooth and gentle stopping. And the trolley with a rubber grip helps your kids hold it firmly while playing. Adjustable and comfortable. Provide children with flying pleasure. The rope knot adjusts perfectly to every child's height to ensure the best riding experience possible. The Backyard Zipline Cable Kit is equipped with a lovely seat. It is 11.28 centimeters in diameter, which is more durable and thicker and provides stable support for up to 330 pounds. What you will get. Zip lines for backyard kids include a 100 feet main cable, a 4.7 feet sling cable, a trolley, a seat, and other accessories. We have everything you need for a long and exciting ride. Your backyard will instantly become a stunning amusement park. Create memories for the entire family. Set up and glide anywhere. The process is pretty straightforward. And you can assemble the Ziplines kit with your clever little ones. Simply hang the steel cable between two healthy trees. And you're ready to go. The Ziplines system can quickly be set up almost anywhere. Enjoy time happily with your family and soar above the clouds with our backyard zipline.